We work with people who use a power wheelchair to move around the world. And today, those power wheelchairs are a boat battery and a joystick. Independent mobility and technology inclusion is just as important for power wheelchair users like my niece as it is for anyone else. And today, those things aren't really available. By connecting their wheelchair to the modern world, to the cloud, and to an app on their phone, helping them see their battery status and be able to share health information, it's life-changing. And it adds to the independence of people in power wheelchairs. Our team and the Klika Tech team have worked together to meet those needs and really change the whole possibility for power wheelchair users. LUCI's entire backend is on AWS. We use IoT Core to connect down to our units that are out in the wild securely and get that real-time data back up to the cloud. And then it's also the backend for our LUCI app, which allows users to share information with their care teams and also to interact with LUCI. I can tell you that we're preventing 11,000 potential injuries every week with LUCI units nationwide. That's only possible because of AWS and the work we've done with Klika.